Hello guys, Steve Ash NRC with the Super Avante. We're going to do a GPS test. I put that new 550 motor in, Red Cat. I believe it's a 16 or 17 turn motor. So we're going to see how fast it is. I think I only have like a 17 tooth pinion in there. We're going to see how fast it is. Maybe I'll take it off road and see how it runs. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, I have the GPS on. Let's see what she does. Don't look too fast. Look slow. May have to gear her up. Jeez. 18.7 miles an hour. That's not good. Test it over here maybe. It's definitely got power. I know they make a 550 12 turn. Maybe that'll be good. Oh. Let's see the ball field. Maybe it'll feel good in the ball field. Who the hell knows? Definitely gotta do something. Maybe I'll get a 12 turn in here. They have them cheap ones on Amazon, the 12 turn motors. Buggy's funny. It's weird. You always have to play around with this one, I found. Go in the shade, it's too hot here. Too slow. Too slow for me, guys. It was faster before. But it burnt out bad. So I'm just gonna run it like this. We'll feel the motor and see how hot it feels. It runs cool. And maybe I could put like a 20 tooth pinion, maybe 22 if there is. Cause like I got, I think a 17, maybe an 18. I'll just keep flooring it like this and putting pressure on it. See what happens. Because 18.7 miles an hour is not too hot for a four-wheel drive buggy. I would have liked to see it go at least 23 maybe. Let me know in the comments, should I go with a 12 turn? Let me know. 550 12 turn. Let me know if you think that would be good for this. I could probably use the same size pinion gear. I might just do that. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a 12 turn. It depends how hot this motor is. If it's ice cold, then that means you could put a much larger pinion gear on it. But that other motor was smoking and burnt it out doing the same thing like I am now. So if this one feels cool and I touch it, I'll up the gearing on it. Oh, that was a nice jump. Or maybe I should just go with a 12 turn and the hell with it. One of them jumps you'll never hit again. Ooh. Oh, there it is. Oh, rear end kicked up. It should be hot now. I've been using it for a long time. Do some donuts, that really makes them heat up. Figure eight. Check the motor here. The other side. It still feels hot. This thing just runs hot. It's not hot, but it's hot. I could keep my hand on it, and it's tucked in there way far. That's why it runs so damn hot. I don't think you can make it much faster with this. Probably go up a couple teeth. And if I get a 12-turn motor, that'll even get blistering hot more. It's just a weird buggy. It's real heavy, this buggy. This buggy's like a lead weight. It's so solid. It's heavy. It ain't that bad when you go off-road. When you're on the big street, it feels slow, but when you're on here, not that bad, but I want it faster. Probably if you put a brushless motor in here, it would even burn up. Should just put a 12 turn in it and the hell with it. I don't know if the ESC will handle it. It's a Hobby Wing 1060. Maybe I should just fill up a couple teeth on it. But this thing looks so mean, it looks like it needs to be fast. Just a lead weight. It's just a lead sled. Drives really good though. That other motor would have been burnt out if I would have ran it this long. When it smoked on me last video. Just needs more power. It's the Super Avante, not the Slug Avante. See, it's probably filled up. Yep. See how hot she is. She can't even reach the motor. That's how bad it is. I could hold my hand on it for a while, so it ain't that bad. Maybe I could go up a couple teeth on it. Alright guys, that's the test. Super Avante 16 or 17 turn red cat motor, 550, 18.7 miles an hour. I don't know, I want it to be faster, but I think if I buy that 12 turn motor, it's just gonna cook. Let me know what you think. Maybe I should just go up a couple teeth on it. I think one tooth does like 1 mile an hour, so if I have 17, 18, 19, 20, so if I get like 3 more teeth, it should get like 3 miles, maybe 2.5 more faster. Be like 21 miles an hour. I don't know what to do. Let me know what you think. Or should I just go with the 12 turn 550, try it out? If it smokes, the hell with it. Let me know, guys. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Steve here, NRC. Later.